Okay, today we're going to talk about combining integers. When I say combine integers, that's when we're talking about either adding or subtracting integers. Basically, there's two different cases. Either the signs are going to be the same, so same signs, then we add the two numbers together and keep the sign. Case 2 is different signs. If that's the case, then we subtract the numbers but keep the sign of the bigger number. So let's look at some examples. And again, ask yourself these questions when you do these type of problems. So the first example, -3 plus -8. So again, I ask myself, which case is it? Well, these are both negative. So same sign, so I add them together and keep the sign. 3 plus 8 is 11, and I make it a negative because I'm keeping the sign. Another way to think about that is if I'm in the whole $3 and then I lose $8 more, then I'm also in the whole $11. Number 2, 6 minus 14. Again, I go by the sign in front of the number. So I could think of combining this as 6 and -14. So my signs are different, so I subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8. And then I keep the sign of the bigger number. Well, 14 is bigger than 6. And the 14 is negative, so it's going to be -8. Or again, you could think of it as I've got $6 and then I loan somebody $14 or I borrow $14 from somebody. So if I had 6 and I owed somebody 14, then I'm going to be in the whole $8, so -8. Example 3, -15 plus 7. Again, signs are different, so we subtract. 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 is bigger, and it's negative, so our answer is -8. Example 4, -13 plus 20. Signs are different, so I subtract. 20 minus 13 is 7. 20 is bigger than 13. And the 20 is positive, so our answer is +7. Example 5, -8 minus 20. Again, in this case they're both negative. -8, -20. So I combine or I add them and keep the sign. So 8 plus 20 is 28, and it stays negative. Example 6, sometimes you'll have in -4 minus -6, two negative signs in front of the same number. Anytime we have two negative signs next to each other, we make it a positive. So then this problem is now like -4 plus 6. Again, signs are different, so I subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 is bigger than 4 and the 6 is positive, so our answer is +2.